Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your IRA with Vanguard, full guide step by step clearly. To transfer your IRA with Vanguard, start by visiting the Vanguard website. Log into your existing account, or create a new account if you don't have one. Locate the Open an Account option. Choose Transfer an IRA from the list of available options. Select the type of IRA you wish to transfer, such as traditional or Roth. Fill out the online application form with the necessary information. Provide details about your current IRA provider. You will need to indicate the approximate value of your current IRA. Review the transfer options to ensure they meet your needs. Vanguard will typically facilitate the transfer process directly with your current institution. After submitting the transfer request, you will receive a confirmation email. Keep an eye on your email for any updates or additional actions required. The transfer process can take several days to a few weeks to complete. Monitor your Vanguard account for the arrival of the transferred funds. Once the funds are received, you will receive a notification from Vanguard. Review your account to ensure all funds have been transferred accurately. Consider reallocating your investments according to your financial goals. That's it. You have successfully transferred your IRA to Vanguard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.